Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads.
Guys, NAB Ordinance 1999 MCQs Part 9. Question number 1 to 1. Section 25A into D deals with conclusion of dash reference. Number A, option A, Conciliation Committee. Option B, Chairman NAB. Option C, Trial Court. Option D, none of above. The right option is Conciliation Committee. Question number 122. As per section 25A into D of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999, the Conciliation Committee shall conclude the reference within dash days. Option A 20 days, option B 30 days, option C 60 days, option D 90 days. The right option is option B 30 days. Question number 1 to 3. As per section 25A into F of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999, where the accused undertakes to repay the amount as determined by the Conciliation Committee, the chairman may, with the approval of dash, may release the accused. Option A, Governor State Bank. Option B, Chairman Conciliation Committee. Option C, Court. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option C, Court. Question number 1 to 4. Section 26 of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with option A, reinvestigation. Option B, retrial. Option C, tender of pardon. Option D, release of accused. The right option is tender of pardon. Question number 1 to 5. Section 26A of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 empowers dash with the power of pardon to accused. Option A, trial court. Option B, prosecutor general. Option C, president. Option D, chairman NAB. The right option is option D, chairman NAB. Question number 1 to 6. Under section 26A of National Accountability Ordinance 1999, the chairman NAB may pardon a person. Option A, fully. Option B, conditionally. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of above. These questions are left for the genius person. Please answer this question in comment box. Question number 1 to 7. As per section 26E, any statement made before a magistrate by a person who has accepted tender of pardon may dash. Option A, not to be given in evidence against him at a trial. Option B, be given in evidence against him at the trial. Option C, be given or not depends upon case nature. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option B, be given in evidence against him at the trial. Question number 1 to 8. Section 27 of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with option A, power of fine. Option B, power to seek assistance. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option B, power to seek assistance. Question number 1 to 9. Section 27 of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 empowers dash to seek assistance. Option A, Chairman NAB. Option B, any authorized officer. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of above. The right answer is that option C, both A and B. Question number 130. Section 28 of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with option A, appointment of Chairman NAB. Option B, appointment of co-chairman NAB. Option C, appointment of member of the staff and officers of the NAB. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option C, appointment of member of the staff and officers of the NAB. थैंक यू गाइस। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कर दें, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दें और कमेंट करना ना भूलिए और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दें। थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।